Today, I'll be walking you through my key contributions to the Smart Recipe project for iteration 3. In this iteration, I focused on our main areas, specifically 4 main areas: OpenAI API integration for AI-generated recipes, Cloudinary cloud storage implementation, public user profile pages, and overall interface styling enhancement. So I will cover each of these modules in detail. So the first module, OpenAI API integration. First, let's look at the OpenAI API integration, which is the core feature, innovative feature of our project. I primarily developed the following files: OpenAI service.js, OpenAI controller.js, OpenAI roots.js, and front-end integration of AI generation functionality. It's in addrecipe.jsx. So this feature allows users to input ingredients they already have and leverages AI to generate suitable recipes. I designed a complete workflow. First, in OpenAI service.js, we send a prompt to the OpenAI model and called OpenAI API to get recipe content and process return data, and then generate recipe image and add image data to recipe object. Next, we'll talk about the integration and communication. The front end calls the API generation feature through the API service layer. It's in the API.js. It's in the back. It's here. When user enter ingredients on the home page, the system called the OpenAI API to generate a complete recipe, including name, description, cooking time, calories, ingredients list, step-by-step instructions, and an AI-generated image of the dish. So part two is Cloudinary integration. I implemented the following files: cloudinary.js. It's in server configure folder. Yeah, it's in here. And I updated recipe controller to integrate Cloudinary upload functionality. It's here, deal with the image upload. Okay, the Cloudinary integration solves the problem of cross-environment image storage, whether in a local development environment or deployed on render.com. Recipe images uploaded by user can be properly stored and accessed. And in recipe controller, I updated the image uploading functionality to replace the old one. The old one was using FS. FS will upload the images directly into the local, so we can only access have access to the images on localhost, but not on the render.com. So part 3 is public user profile pages. It's in userprofile.jsx. This feature allows any users, including non-logged in visitors, aka anonymous users, to view other users' profiles and the recipe they've created or saved. This enhances the social aspect and content discovery of the application. And this page uses React hooks, use state, use effect to manage component state, including user profile data, created, saved recipe lists, and the currently active tab. I also focused on improving the styling throughout the application to make the interface more clean, elegant, and visually appealing. So let me show you our application. Firstly, we have to log in. And then if we enter some ingredients and click find recipes, the AI will generate a recipe for us. It's a little bit slow though, so we have to be patient. Here it is. It's the AI generated recipe. And here's the image that AI generated. And we can edit the information that AI generated like this. And we can also just directly submit and store it. Okay, and we will be directed to the recipe detail page. Here it is, and we can post some reviews. Very good. Yeah. If I click the username, that is the currently logged in user, and the web page will be redirected to the profile page. And if I clicked a user that is not the user currently logged in, the web page will be directed to a public user profile. It's here. There's no edit profile button and no email display for users' privacy. Okay, here's what I've done for our iteration 3. Yeah, and I enhanced the styling, the font, and the color, and the layouts. Yeah, I did all of that. So, thank you.